In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the comparison between two powerful AI video generators, Kling AI and Sora, as we explore their features, advantages, and potential drawbacks to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's start with Kling AI, developed by the company Kuaishou. This versatile tool has captured the attention of many video creators for its ability to generate high-quality videos from text prompts and images with creative flexibility. One of the standout features of Kling AI is its multi-reference input, which allows users to leverage up to 7 reference images to ensure consistency across their video scenes. This is particularly beneficial for projects where maintaining the visual style is crucial. Additionally, Kling AI produces high-resolution output with videos rendered in 1080p, optimizing for clarity and detail in the final product. Another appealing aspect of Kling AI is its creative flexibility. The platform empowers users to experiment with dynamic camera angles, intricate scene compositions, and a range of animation styles, supporting creative storytelling. Furthermore, Kling AI offers a budget-friendly credit system, making it an economical choice for creators and small businesses who are mindful of their spending. However, it's important to consider that Kling AI operates under strict content moderation policies. Initially available within China, and now with a global reach including English support, its operations adhere to Chinese government regulations, potentially affecting the generation of content concerning sensitive topics. This is vital for users to note if they require more artistic freedom regarding their content. Now let's turn our attention to Sora, an AI video generator developed by OpenAI, renowned for its capability to transform text prompts into realistic and high-quality videos. Sora has gained popularity due to its impressive output and ease of use, appealing to both new users and seasoned professionals. Among its key features is the ability to generate cinematic quality videos, characterized by accurate lip syncing and smooth animations, all in 1080p resolution, ensuring professionalism in the video results. Sora's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to a wide audience, simplifying the video creation process. In addition, it boasts advanced capabilities such as supporting multi-shot instructions and videos up to 20 seconds long, offering room for more comprehensive and dynamic content creation. Nonetheless, potential users should consider some limitations with Sora. Although OpenAI has implemented safety measures, there are ongoing concerns about misuse, particularly in areas like deepfakes and impersonation. Moreover, the Pro plan offered by Sora, while enhancing the platform's features significantly, could prove too costly for casual users who might not require all the premium functionalities. In conclusion, selecting between Kling AI and Sora depends on your specific needs, budget, and content requirements. Kling AI shines in creative flexibility and cost-effectiveness, but comes with moderation constraints, whereas Sora stands out in user-friendliness and output quality, albeit with a slightly higher cost implication. We hope this comparison aids you in making a well-informed decision.